Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you about a lot of airplanes, trucks, cars, excavators, helicopters. Okay, so now let's check with me one by one. What is my first interesting my first interesting airplane, a big airplane, everybody. Let's check the next one. Acute excavator. This one is acute excavator. How about this? A truck. Okay, a truck. A broken cubby truck. A broken cubby truck. How about this one? Acute cars transporter. Acute cars transporter. How about this, everybody? Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Okay, bulldozer. A broken racing car. A broken racing car. Mini bulldozer. About this one? Super motorbike, red color. Super motorbike, red color. How about this? Minibus, shoot color. Minibus, shoot color. A broken ladder truck. How about this one? A truck. A shoot truck. How about this? This one is also a broken excavator. A broken excavator. Container truck. How about this? Cement mixer truck, everybody. This one is also a cement mixer truck. A bigger truck. How about this one? A logistic truck, but this one is a broken logistic truck. A broken logistic truck. Bulldozer. Okay, bulldozer. A broken racing car. A broken racing car. Now check a last one. Shoot bus. Everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.